Today, Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi announced that fresh elections will be held to choose 6 members of the Delhi Municipal Corporations or MCD Standing Committee. This comes after chaos broke out on Wednesday between AAP and BJP councillors when they came to blows over the way the Standing Committee election was held. BJP councillors protested against Mayor Shelly Oberoi allowing phones at the polling booth and demanded fresh elections. Shelly Oberoi has now announced that phones will not be allowed during voting. BJP councillors welcomed the mayor's announcement and hailed it as their victory. Ahead of the elections, BJP councillors raised slogans in the MCD house asking Mayor Shelly Oberoi to come to the civic centre. The BJP councillors raised slogans as the MCD house session was supposed to begin at 10 am and Mayor Shelly Oberoi along with AAP councillors did not arrive on time. The BJP councillors showed their watches and raised slogans at the house. When AAP councillors arrived at the MCD house, they started raising slogans against the party. Meanwhile, AAP leaders are confident that the party's candidates will win the election for the 6 members of the standing committee. The party's MLA Atishi Singh slammed the BJP and said that AAP will win the election. AAP MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj also expressed confidence in the party's victory and said, and I quote, "We are confident that we will win the standing committee election just like the mayoral election." Voting began a little after 11 am and so far 50% of the election process is over. 123 councillors have cast their votes out of the total 250. This includes the BJP's Rekha Gupta and Amit Nagpal, who were accused of throwing the ballot box and tearing ballot papers on Wednesday. Pawan Sherawat, who jumped ship from AAP to the BJP on Friday morning, also cast his vote. 7 candidates are in the fray for the 6 members of the standing committee. Amil Malik of Sriram Colony Ward, Raminder Kaur from Fateh Nagar Ward, Mohini Jeenwal of Sundar Nagari Ward and Sarika Chaudhary of Daryaganj Ward are AAP's candidates.